LibKey Nomad is a browser extension that connects you with articles that are library licensed or open access. When using it, you will automatically be directed to the best available version of an article, so you don't need to search in multiple places. You can install the LibKey Nomad extension for your browser of choice. Search for and select James Madison University from the list of institutions. Nomad also works with Wikipedia. When you're viewing the list of references for an entry, a Download PDF button will appear after the citations if the full text of the article is available from JMU Libraries. An article link button may appear for citations that are from sources that do not support linking directly to the PDF. For articles not available from JMU Libraries, an Access Options button will appear that provides options for requesting the articles through ILL. When you're searching PubMed, LibKey Nomad shows options for downloading a PDF, linking to an article, or additional access options. You can also view the cover images of the journals that articles appear in. LibKey Nomad also provides a link to the complete issue of a journal.